Welcome to JH. I recently gave the GuruNanda teeth whitening strips a spin, and I was actually surprised by how painless the process was. Unlike those other brands that slide around your mouth like a bar of soap in a bathtub, these strips fit comfortably and didn't leave a gross, sticky residue. Because let's be honest, nobody enjoys the sensation of industrial-grade glue on their gums while trying to look attractive. After just a few sessions, my smile was noticeably brighter, and those stubborn coffee and tea stains finally started to retreat. It's a relief to find something that hides the evidence of a caffeine addiction without making my teeth feel like they're being electrocuted. I didn't experience any of that sharp sensitivity that usually makes whitening feel like a form of medieval torture, which made it much easier to actually stick to the routine. They're quick enough to toss in during the evening without any fuss, leaving my mouth feeling fresh instead of coated in chemical sludge. If you're looking for an affordable way to boost your confidence without selling a kidney for professional treatments, these are definitely a solid choice.